Ever wondered how to make quick and easy beer bread for your next braai? The mouth-watering aroma of freshly baked bread mingling with the smoky scent of the grill, it's an irresistible combination. Welcome to a culinary journey that will lead you to the perfect beer bread recipe. Imagine this, a golden crust encasing a fluffy, moist interior with a hint of beer-infused flavor that makes this bread a cut above the rest. Intrigued? Well, buckle up because the magic begins now. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a 340 ml can of your favorite beer. That's right, any beer will do. It's your choice. And, of course, a pinch of salt for that extra flavor kick. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, mix the self-raising flour, sugar, and salt together in a large bowl. Stir these dry ingredients until they're well combined. Next, pour in that can of beer. The beer not only gives the bread its unique flavor, but it also acts as a raising agent, giving your bread that wonderful fluffy texture. Stir the beer into the dry ingredients until the mixture forms a sticky dough. Now, prepare a loaf pan by greasing it lightly with butter or oil. Transfer the dough into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Slide the pan into your preheated oven and let it bake for about an hour. You'll know it's done when the top turns a beautiful golden brown and a skewer inserted into the bread comes out clean. Once baked, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a bit. Then turn the bread out onto a wire rack to cool further. And there you have it. A simple, quick, and incredibly delicious beer bread, ready to be enjoyed at your next braai. Slice it up, slather on some butter, and savor the rich beer-infused flavor. So, the next time you're planning a braai, remember this recipe. It's easy, quick, and the resulting bread is nothing short of spectacular. Beer bread. It's not just a loaf of bread, it's an experience. One bite, and you'll understand why this bread is a crowd pleaser, so why not give it a try? Happy baking! Hey there, gourmet bakers! For an extra flavor punch, let's take this beer bread up a notch. Grab some bacon and your favorite cheese. Fry the bacon until it's crispy and golden, then grate your cheese. Now, mix the crispy bacon and the cheese into the dough before it goes into the oven. This bacon and cheese variation is truly a game changer. It will take your beer bread from amazing to out of this world. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Happy gourmet baking!